right now, I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you. Get off the ground. Stop! Put both your hands out the window. Do it now. Both your hands. Both your hands. Space took that long. Talked about it 2 times. Come up on Baseline Road. Speeds are 85. Just pass on the shoulder. Just pass 362. Speeds are 106. Pass on the shoulder. Arkansas out on X-ray link 373.
Got him at
They just slammed on the brakes when I went to TDI and tried to hit me.
How close is his closest backup? 4 and 9 are on 49 headed to him here in Helena, going up on Marble.
Come up off Phillips 643. Just move in for a TDI. TBI. Multiple rollovers, start at 1016. Hey, put your hands up! Do it now! Put your hands up! But stop! Stop right now, I'm gonna tase you! I'm gonna tase you! Get off the ground! Stop! Stop! Shirt like this. Face away from me. Hey, put both your hands out too. Face that away. Face that away. I didn't do anything. I didn't do nothing. I wasn't even driving. I didn't do nothing. You know I did, 'cause I wasn't driving.
I have the passenger attendant there. You okay? Who your knees up to? You okay?
I didn't do nothing, sir. I just moved here from
You
Michigan.
hurt? You hurt? You okay?
Everything just shocked me.
I'll bet. I'm Trooper Cougar, Arkansas State Police. What's his name?
His name is Jay. I don't know his last name, sir. I just
Whose car
moved.
is that?
That's his car.
Who else is in there?
Nobody. I just moved here from Michigan. I'm just getting off work. That's my cell phone right there. Can you pick up my phone if you don't mind, sir? I didn't do anything. I was just on my way home. I don't even know what he did for you to pull him over. I just moved here.
Speed in there. Anything on you?
I work, dude. I just got off work.
What's your name?
My name is Dennis Thompson.
That's it in there. Is his ID in there?
I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm just getting off work.
You okay? You need an ambulance?
No,
You sure?
it's, breathing machine.
You need an ambulance? You okay?
No, it's just breathe. I'm just shocked because like I said, I don't know what he did for you to pull him over. I just moved here from Michigan. I live in Marble. Like I wasn't driving. I don't know what he did.
Okay.
Can you tell me what he did for you to pull him over?
What's your leg?
Yes, sir.
His passengers at 9. What's his name? No. What's his name? You can go to jail with him.
No, his name is Jay. Like his name is Jay. I don't know his last name.
Stay there. I'll find out.
20 to 31.
Okay, he was done running 20 yards before he hit the tree line.
Yeah, but just continue.
Do you need an ambulance? or not?
City, I'm in route as well.
I asked you for a breathing treatment.